How you doing, guys? Chris here from Divergent Drones. Well, if you've been thinking it's been a long time since Ingenuity has flown, you'd be right. It was scheduled to take off on the 23rd of June and fly for about 100 seconds for about 68 meters, but that flight didn't take place, leaving us with doubts that the little drone might not ever take off again on the Red Planet. But on February 8th, NASA assured us that Ingenuity took off and landed safely on Mars, making it the first drone to complete a flight in 2022. After so many hiccups in the last couple of flights, we are very glad that Ingenuity was able to take off and successfully complete its mission. Aside from the weather delays, we haven't heard of any discrepancies with the drone, leaving us to believe that Ingenuity might be on the mend. Via software fixes, that is. A lot of people were very surprised to find out that the weather is very active on Mars. Not necessarily rain, but lots of wind and dust storms. And yes, there's even clouds on Mars, made up of ice water, but not the clouds that you think of here on Earth. These clouds aren't going to delay Ingenuity from flying on Mars, but these clouds certainly will. These are the dust clouds that we're referring to. Unfortunately, summer is almost over for Ingenuity on Mars, and the weather is going to turn, so we're going to see a lot less flying activity, but NASA still does have a few more flights planned for the final days of summer. Stay tuned for more updates, I'm sure there's more to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.